Hi guys, Miss Carly here with your art lesson for today. So I brought down supplies to your classroom for the project that we are going to work on. You're also going to need your art kits because you need scissors, glue, and something to draw with. Those three things: scissors, glue, and something to draw with. So gather those up, and then the supplies I sent down, you need one of each paper and then a set of 6 of the strips that are rainbow colors, and they should be separated already by color, or by set, I'm sorry. So you need one of each of those. So gather up your stuff, come on back. If you need to pause this video or stop it at any point so everyone can catch up, that's completely fine. You are more than welcome to do so. I'm just going to move right along in the video though, so you can pause it and stop it as you need to, as you go along. So I'm going to flip you down and I'll show you what we're working on. So with St. Patrick's Day coming up, I wanted to do a St. Patrick's Day project, and since we did color mixing and learned about our rainbow last time, we are going to do a rainbow with a pot of gold, but our rainbow is going to be 3D. So our rainbow is going to stick off the page a little bit, so when you hang it up, it'll look like the rainbow is coming right out of that pot of gold out towards you. So this is what it'll look like when we're all done. So the first thing you need is the piece of paper that is folded, and it has this white shape drawn on it. So you're each going to need one of these, and what you're going to do is keep the paper folded and cut right on that white line. Okay? Cut right on that white line, and when you open it up, you will have a pot that looks like this. Okay? I'm sorry, this thing is going to zoom in and out like crazy, so I'll try and keep my hands out of it. So it'll look like this. Once you get that done, you can set that off to the side. The next thing that you need is the white piece of paper and something to draw with, because you are going to use this white piece of paper for the cloud. So you're going to draw a cloud as best you can on this white piece of paper. If it is easier for cutting purposes and drawing, you could just do a big oval on here. That's fine too. But you're going to draw it on here first. After it's drawn, you can grab your scissors and cut it out. So it'll look like this after it's cut out. And then once you get that cut out, you can set that off to the side. For the next part, you are going to need that black pot again and all the strips of rainbow paper. So you should have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You should have 6. And what you're going to do is take your glue stick and you're going to put glue right along this top edge of your pot. And you're going to stick one end of the paper strips down. So it's going to look like this. So I put glue all the way across the top. Then I took the strips and set them down one by one, and I did it in rainbow order. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And they all got glued to the very top. After you glue that to the top, the next part is to glue this to our background paper, which is teal. So you want to have this in front of you horizontally, so that means the shorter, wider way. And you're going to put glue just on the pot. You don't want to put glue on the strips up here. On the pot down here, you're going to put glue all over, and it's going to get stuck right down here on your paper in the corner. I am just going to stick mine on here real quick. So it will go down here in the corner, and then your strips are going to hang off the top. So here's what you're going to do next. Now is when we need to create that really cool 3D rainbow. So you're going to take each strip and you're going to pull it up and flip it this way and stick it with glue. So it's back here, you're going to pull it up, flip it over, and stick it with glue. And you're going to do that to each color. I'm just taping real quick because I use my samples over and over and over again. So you just keep going until you have gone through every color in every strip.
52, that's Serafini 52.
So you now have all 6 pulled up and over. Once you have that, your really cool cloud that you made is going to get glued on to cover all these ends up. If one side has marker or crayon showing still, that's the side you should put glue on. So put glue on that side, and you're going to stick it down right here at the end to cover up those strips. And then your last step is to take the golden yellow strip of paper that looks like this, and we're going to use this for the gold coins. So you're going to fold it in half twice. That'll save us drawing and cutting time. So once, twice. And then right on the top, you are going to draw a circle on the top. And then you're going to keep the paper folded and cut that circle out. And if it's kept folded, you will end up with 4 circles. Okay? And those are your gold coins for your pot of gold. You can glue them all up here. You could put them in a pile down here. Wherever you would like your gold to go, you are welcome to glue it, and that just gets glued on. Last step is just to add your name to your picture. If you want a different place to write your name, you could write it over here in the cloud. You could write it on the pot of gold, or you could just put it down in a corner or on the back if you wanted to. That's fine. These projects can either, these projects can get hung up here at school for St. Patrick's Day, or they can be sent home. Either one is fine, but I don't need them back. If you have any extra supplies, so any of the extra strips or other pieces of paper, just stick those right in the plastic bag, put them outside your room in the mailbox, and I will come around in the afternoon and pick those up. Okay? So you guys can take these home or hang them up, whichever you want. I hope you guys had fun. I will see you next time for art. Bye, guys.